dream becomes a reality to 11,500 pupils, and this has been long waited for. 3 years later, finally, some gleam of hope for the students with laptops now being distributed.
It has been a long time coming, especially being that it was a core plank of the Jubilee Manifesto. They had pledged that within the first 1 year of being into office, each standard 1 student will get a laptop. Procurement difficulties, controversies, because this was big money, dragged this pledge up to now. And I think the pressure had boiled. It had reached boiling point. Jubilee is facing an election in less than 2 years from now. And they had to show their commitment that this is a pledge that we gave, and at least we have rolled it out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And of course, be as it may that there were challenges, but finally it looks like there may be light at the end of the tunnel. We don't know how many they'll have distributed by the time we go to the elections. But of course, one of the things we do know that the president has made very clear is that they want to zero in on some of the promises they made and ensure by 2017 they have delivered.
That is why even they have placed a freeze on new projects. They basically now want to focus on the ongoing projects so that they are completed. And as regards the ICT pledge, you also realized a key plank of it was also they are putting in money for ICT hubs, because they think it is much better to put in ICT hubs so that in areas where the schools probably do not have electricity, I think ICT hubs through generators and solar systems will be much more viable.
Absolutely.